Leaving the hospital with a brand new human is equal parts joy and wait, did they just hand us a baby? I've helped hundreds of families make this moment calm and safe. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the car seat, the first pediatrician plan, and the paperwork that often seems to be hidden when you need it most. Here's a fast win you can do today. Take your car seat out of the box and practice buckling a stuffed animal at home. Learn two things: the chest clip at armpit level and the pinch test. You shouldn't be able to pinch the shoulder strap fabric. When you can do that without thinking, Discharge Day gets 10 times easier. Hi, I'm Cherry, a certified maternal and newborn nurse and your expert postpartum coach. We'll cover the car seat setup step by step, how to book and prepare for the first pediatrician's visit, the hospital to home paperwork, a realistic first night routine, and red flags that warrant a call. If you're a working mom who likes structure, my free resource hub for career moms has 4 trimester checklists and planners to guide your first weeks. It's free and linked below. 1. Before they hand you the discharge packet. A good discharge includes 4 quick checks for baby: feeding, temperature stability, newborn screen and jaundice check, which is a heel stick, and the hearing test and test for critical congenital heart disease screens. You'll often get a summary page with birth details, weights, hepatitis B status, and any bilirubin numbers. During the RSV season, there's an additional medication given to your baby called an RSV monoclonal antibody. Pro tip: ask the nurse to write the last bilirubin number and time of draw on your summary. If the baby is borderline, you'll know what to tell the pediatrician. And if the baby had a circumcision, clarify how to clean and what looks normal for the next 2 days. If feeding has become tricky, ask for one more latch or bottle coaching before you go. 10 minutes now can save a rough night. 2. Car seat from room to ride. Here's the hospital reality. Staff will check for buckling to ensure safety, but they don't install car seats, nor they can put your baby situated in the car seat. Arrive with your seat ready to go and the knowledge on how to put your baby in safely. There are 2 options for car seats: carrier versus convertible. 1 is an infant bucket seat that snaps into a base, easier for tiny babies and winter weather. 2, a convertible seat that is safe for newborns if it has low weight limits and proper inserts. But positioning is a little fussier. Be sure to think twice before deciding which one to buy. Ease of use should be one of the top priorities when in doubt. Important tip: never use a hand-me-down car seat as they have not been recently tested for safety. Also, an FYI, car seats have an expiration date, so be mindful of that as well. Okay, let's talk about step-by-step harnessing. 1. Place baby rear facing with hips back and bum down. 2. Harness straps at or below shoulder level for rear facing. 3. Buckle chest clip at armpit level. 4. Tighten until you can pinch shoulder webbing. No slack smiles. 5. No bulky coats or thick suits under straps. Put a blanket over the harness after tightening. For head support, use the inserts that came with the seat. Do not use aftermarket pillows. Angle and install. Newborns need about 45-degree recline so the baby's airway stays open. Use the seat's angle indicator at your car's level ground. Base should move less than 1 inch side to side at the belt path. Use either lower anchors or seat belt, not both, unless your seat manual says otherwise. If your car allows, turn off the airbags for the rear seats with sensors as needed. Most newborns ride in the rear center seat when you can get a tight installation there. Otherwise, they ride behind the passenger. Practice route. Do a 10-minute trial install at home before delivery. If you want a pro look, schedule a certified technician check in your area. Many fire stations require appointments, so don't just drop in. On discharge day, bring the carrier upstairs to mom's room. The base stays installed in the car. Common fix: if the baby's chin drops to the chest, your angle is too upright or the baby isn't seated back. Reseat the hips, recheck the recline, and add a thin rolled receiving blanket along the sides, not behind the baby. 3. Pediatrician. First week game plan. Book before birth. Call your preferred practice during your third trimester. I'm due on this date. Can we pre-register and tentatively schedule a 24 to 48 hour newborn visit? It's about after-hour calls, same-day 6 slots, and lactation support. What to bring to visit number 1. Hospital discharge summary. Photo in your phone is fine. Feeding plus diaper log. Even a sticky note works. Bilirubin numbers and time drawn. Any questions? Feeding, sleep, umbilical cord, circumcision care? What they'll do? Weight check against birth weight. Many babies lose up to 7 to 10%, then regain them back in a couple weeks. Jaundice check by eye and sometimes a meter or a lab draw. Feeding assessment. If breast or chest feeding, they should ask about latch and swallowing. If bottle feeding, they should review pace feedings and volumes. Scheduling follow-ups. If weight is borderline or bilirubin rising, expect another check-in 1 to 3 days. This is normal and protective, not a failure. 4. Paperwork and admin specific to the United States. Do these once, not 10 times. Birth certificate and social security. Many hospitals start these forms. Verify name spelling and mailing address before you leave. Expect the social security card by mail. Insurance. Add baby to your plan within 30 days of birth. Call the member number or log in and look for Add Dependent. Ask which pediatricians are in network near you and what your copay will be for newborn visits. Sometimes it's different than adults. Pharmacy plan. Pick a 24-hour pharmacy near your house. Save it in your phone and in your partner's phone. If baby or you need medications, you won't be searching at midnight. You don't want that, right? Work forms. If your employer requires forms for FMLA or leave, store copies in a single baby admin folder in your email. The future you will thank the past you. At-home quick labels. Make notes page called Baby Info with pediatrician's name, phone, and after-hours number, pharmacy, and insurance member ID. Screenshot it for easy sharing with grandparents or babysitters. 5. Feeding plan handoff. Whether you're breastfeeding, bottle feeding, or mixing both, decide tonight's game plan before you walk out. If breastfeeding, aim for 8 to 12 feeds in 24 hours. Start at early hunger cues, rooting, hands to mouth, quiet alert stage. And if latching is painful after the first minute, break the suction and relatch. Don't power through. If your breasts are very full on day 3 to 5, try reverse pressure softening for 60 to 90 seconds to help your baby latch. If bottle feeding, use paced feeding. Place the baby in a semi-upright position. Hold the bottle horizontally and pause every few swallows by tipping the bottle down. Week 1 typical ranges: 1/2 to 1 ounce in days 1 to 2, 1 to 1.5 ounce in days 3 to 4, and 1.5 to 2 ounces by 5 to 7. Watch for cues over quotas. Let's talk about combo feeding. Replace a feed with a bottle. Pump 15 to 20 minutes around that time to protect supply. Keep 8 to 12 removals in 24 hours between pump plus baby. Set up a night station at home. Diapers, wipes, birth cloth, swaddles, sleep sacks, measured formula or labeled milk, clean bottles, and a dim light. Nighttime is for business, not parties. 6. First night at home, a calm mini routine. Quick diaper check. Feed breast or paste bottle. Burp at the halfway mark, and at the end, hold baby upright a couple minutes, and safe sleep on the back in a bare crib or bassinet. Keep the room dim and boring. You're teaching day versus night from day one. If baby is extra fussy between 6 to 10 p.m., that's common. Keep stimulation low. Continue your feeding rhythm and breathe. Red flags and when to call your pediatrician. If you notice fewer than 6 wet diapers by day 5, dark stools after day 4 rather than yellow and seedy, hard to wake feeds with minimal swallowing, fever, axillary or under the arms confirmed by a rectal temperature of more than 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius, poor color or breathing that looks labored, forceful repeated vomiting after most feeds. Trust your gut. If something feels off, call. Early supports makes a huge difference. If you want 4th trimester checklists and planners to guide your first weeks, feeding logs, pump prompts, and simple routines, grab the free Resource Hub for career moms. It's free and it's linked below. You've got your car seat, your first appointment, and your admin handled. Next, watch this video. Newborn sleep isn't broken. It's still under construction. I'll show you a 5-minute reset you can start tonight so days feel brighter and nights feel calmer. And you stop second guessing what is normal. Thank you for spending this time with me. The newborn stage is challenging, but your recovery deserves care. And your efforts, even the quiet ones, are enough. If this video helped make any part of your experience feel clearer or less overwhelming, I'd love for you to subscribe and stay connected. I'm Cherry, and I will see you in the next one.